I've discovered a great new way to carry your gear really easily without any trouble at all. Well, actually Peak Design discovered it, but I discovered that Peak Design discovered it, or something like that. What it is, it's the new field pouch. And how it works is you can get a strap that you can use, one of the Peak Design straps that you can use for your camera, and they're a famous capture plate where you just take your camera and you just lock it right on the outside. So anytime you're out shooting, street photography, and holidays, you should call the essentials bag because you only carry what you need. And your camera is always ready to go. It just clips onto this plate. So it's super easy. It makes carrying your gear a breeze. If you're like me and you've got a gadget bag, I will fill it to the brim with all sorts of things. And if I've got a big heavy bag, it's not great for carrying it around. So if you're a street shooter or just want to get out and take pictures and have just a few things like a few lenses and a few accessories with you, this is a perfect system to make shooting way easier. The field pouch is so slim and hugs your body so it doesn't stick out very far. And even with the capture clip on there, your camera hugs your side and is always ready to go. When I first saw the Peak Design field pouch, I didn't realize its full potential. I thought of it as a bag inside of a bag. I was going to use this bag for organizing filters, cables, extra hard drives, those type of things that I don't want rattling inside my gadget bag, and it could just fit right inside. And of course, you can do that. It's perfect for that, but there's so much more you can do with the field pouch. To turn the field pouch into the ultimate lightweight street shooting system, you're going to need a couple other items. What I was using was the Slide Lite strap from Peak, but you can also use another one of their straps. And of course, that quick connection, the capture, that allows you to snap the camera on the outside of the bag. Now, let's take a closer look inside the bag. What I find so exciting and unique about this bag is its ability to adapt. Here we see it in its small, very, very compact form. But what allows it to be adjustable is these two Velcro straps. By adjusting where you have this flap, you can have it all the way down for very compact. We just have a little bit of gear in there. You have more gear, you pull it back, or if it's quite full, you can pull it all the way to the top flap here. So this expands depending how much gear you have. There are 7 internal compartments inside the bag that help you organize your gear. Let's take a look. Now, if you open up there, you can see there's this felt liner inside. Now, there's also, I'm going to fold this back here so you can get a better look. And open this up. Inside there are these two kind of elastic compartments, and that's where you can put 2 lenses. I got one on this side, and you can see you can put a lens on the other side as well. And at the back here, you've got 2 big compartments. That's where you put like a battery charger, a hard drive, whatever, or even this big phone can slide right inside there. Now on the top part here behind this felt backing, there's 2 more compartments and actually a zipper that goes across. It's hard to see that little zipper, and that's where you stick things like memory cards or keys can go right inside that orange spot there like that. So again, 7 compartments, 2 along the front here, 1 main large compartment, 2 lens compartments, and then 2 pockets on the back there. And that all fits together inside the field pouch. My first introduction to Peak Design was at Photokina in Cologne, Germany, where the Peak Design guys were launching the new capture system. This is this unique device that goes onto a belt or a backpack, and you can take your camera and clip it on, and it's always, your camera's always within ready access and easy to use, so you're not fumbling through a bag to get your camera. Now, it's such an ingenious design on the field pouch to have this little flap on the front here, and that's made specially for the capture clip. It goes through there, goes down there, and you just lock it in place. And then this quick release plate goes on your camera and just clicks into place. It's so simple, and your camera is always ready to go. On the back side of the pouch, you'll see there's these 2 straps. Now this is designed to put a belt through there, so you can have this on your waist if you want to just have it off of your belt just to grab some accessories while you're shooting. But what I really like about on the back here is they've got these two little hidden spots there. And let's pull this little guy out here. And there's another one on the other side. These are called anchor links. And they work with Peak Designs straps. It's a special way of attaching. Now I've got one out here by itself. And how that works is you take the strap and it just fits inside there and you push it through and it locks into place. So now you can attach the strap quickly to the field pouch. Okay, here's the bag all together. I've got the capture plate on. Now this time I put it on right side up. The first time I connected it, I put it upside down. But the red release plate should be on the top, and then your camera clicks down like that. And then on the back here we've got the strap attached. So there you are, all ready to go in one neat little package. The field pouch is so much more than just an accessory pouch. I call it the ultimate street shooter's kit. Just add a Peak Design strap, add the capture plate, and you're set, ready to go. Your camera is always there, ready to take pictures. And because it just takes the essentials, it's super, super light. It's like you're not even carrying anything at all. And that's the whole idea about having a bag like this. You can get out there, start taking pictures, enjoy yourself, and not be bogged down by a big, heavy bag. So take a look at the field pouch. Use this as an accessory pouch if you want, but if you're like me, use it as the ultimate street shooting kit and get out there and start taking pictures.